Today was such a beautiful day, we decided to meet with Kathy to see what her favorite thing was about her newly finished kitchen. So what's up, Kathy?
Let me take you to the things that I love about my kitchen. One of the first things I like is my new refrigerator. It's like a little mini computer. I can play Pandora. We can post our pictures. But another favorite piece of mine, this I absolutely love because I love coffee and I love my wine. All the little cabinets, I have, a lot of storage. I can put my wine, I can do my coffee. I have my coffee here, my tea for my husband. But this is actually my favorite area in the kitchen. So the microwave.
This was your husband's favorite,
This is my
right?
husband's favorite area. He definitely wanted this microwave. The way that Design Scope designed this was perfect. The way that it fits right in between the two cabinets. The island, oh my God. Let's talk about the island. My cooktop, my oven here. I have my little garbage hidden away. The way everything came out was just perfect. This is the heart of the home. Such a wonderful experience dealing with Steven and Design Scopes. I told my husband I was gonna cry. It just came out beautiful, and I'm glad that I trusted him. And when he actually designed it, I actually can see his vision. I'm happy, my husband's happy, we're all happy in this kitchen. Definitely go see Design Scopes.
Awesome.